Good evening everyone. I'm doing or redoing this Panasonic G9 autofocus test. Panasonic claimed to have made some major improvements with the autofocus in firmware 2.0 and also I believe in firmware 2.4. Now I previously did a similar video 2 weeks ago, roughly 2 weeks ago, and some of the comments I got was that the test was unfair because as the camera was acquiring focus on some objects, I moved them out of view from the camera just right before it acquired focus. And yes, I did go and look back at the video. Fair enough, I take the comments on, and hence why I'm redoing this video. Now this video is going to be done in two parts. First part, it will be shot in 4K 30p at 8-bit. And then I will do a second video in 4K 60p, also in 8-bit. I'm going to use the, I'm just going to pop some objects in front of the camera and see how long it takes, or even whether the camera actually acquires focus on those objects. One of the objects on the previous video that the G9 had extreme difficulty with was a black Panasonic Lumix camera, which is a low contrast object. So anyway, without waffling on or digressing any further, I'm going to start. Before I do, I'm going to have a quick swig. Let's use the bottle as an example, and it's in front of camera. I acquired focus on that pretty quick. Well done. I'm going to grab some more objects that I've got near me. Here's a book, same book I used in the previous test. Very well done, impressed. That was pretty quick. I'm going to grab a box. Okay, picked up on that pretty quickly as well. Back onto my face. That's pretty good so far. So now I'm going to pick up the black Panasonic Lumix. This is my GX9, and it's acquired focus on that. Well done, Panasonic G9. And now back to my face. So I'd say it passed those tests with flying colours, and honestly, I'm a bit surprised. It's this unreliability. Sometimes it just works flawlessly, as you just seen there, and it's the first time for me as well that it just worked flawlessly. Yeah, not sure what to make of that. Thumbs up, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to change the settings on the camera. The only settings I'm going to change is, like I said, the frame rate to 60 frames per second, and that will be it. I'm going to use the same lens, and the rest of the settings will remain the same on the camera. Excuse me, and I will post the settings in the description on both of the videos. There'll be a link to the part 2, I guess, of this test in the description. See you soon. Bye.